In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Discord server on your mobile phone in 2021. So the first thing you need to do is open up Discord and then locate your server on the left-hand panel there. Mine is T123, that's the server that I want to delete. And this is for Android devices, but I'll explain what you need to do on an iPhone as well. So as you can see, when I tap on my server, right at the top on the right-hand side of the server name, it has 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots, and then you want to tap on the settings option, and then you can see 3 stripes on the right hand side of where it says server settings. Tap on that, and then it says delete server. If you go ahead and tap on delete server, which I'll do in a moment, you can go ahead and delete it, but I'll show you what to do for iPhone. For iPhone, all you need to do is tap on those 3 dots, tap on settings, and then scroll all the way to the bottom, and then it will say delete server. But since this is an iPhone, I have to go back to that screen, settings, and tap on the 3 dots, and then tap on delete server. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to delete test123? This action cannot be undone. Tap on delete, and now that server is gone. So that is how you delete your Discord server on mobile in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.